Hey guys, this is Michael just doing a tutorial video for those that maybe you missed the training recently that we had for these applications, or maybe you were there but you just need a little bit more help with it. This is a step-by-step walk through the FamilyLife app. As I mentioned in the training, the FamilyLife app is a resource for family ministry leaders. Family ministry leaders are anyone serving in a leadership capacity in life groups, children's ministry, middle school, high school, college, marriage and parenting, all of the 9 departments that make up our family ministry here at Crosspoint Church. And as I said, trying to continue to build and understand that we're all in a family ministry here at Crosspoint Church, not just our individual ministries. And one of the best ways to do that is create resources that unify us under one banner. And so the FamilyLife app is one of the things we're going to talk about right now. Keep in mind, I'm giving these instructions for an iPhone. If you're an Android user, the instructions are very similar. There might be a few slight differences. And of course, if you have any issues, you can reach out to me and I'll be glad to walk you through that process. So the very first step we want to do is go to our Safari app. If you're an iPhone user, you need to use Safari, even if you're a Chrome lover. You need to use Safari for this feature, and I'll explain why in just a moment. You want to go up to the address bar and type in crosspointchurch.cc. Most of us are familiar with this. This is the address of our church. And then you want to put a slash, and you want to type in Family Life, all one word, and hit go. Of course, in Android, you can use Chrome. But for an iPhone, you need to use Safari. So you should see a page that looks just like this. The top line there says Family Life Resource for Family Ministry Leaders. And then below that, you'll see all of the various ministries that encompass family life at Crosspoint Church. Children's ministry, DPK Live, life groups, middle school, high school, college, preschool, marriage and parenting, and even DP Camp, which is not a standalone ministry yet, but will be one day. So the first thing I want to do is walk everybody through some of the children's ministry features. So you click on the purple Discovery Point Kids link there, and then you'll notice a gradated form here. It goes from lightest to darkest, and this is an order of importance to the ministry. So the things at the top of the page are the most important, and things at the bottom of the page are the least important. How many of you guys have been approached by someone who wants to serve, and you have to send them my name and phone number, or send me their name and phone number so I can reach out to them and send them a KidSafe application? Well, no longer do you have to do that. Now you can simply click right into the KidSafe application. It opens up the link on your phone, and then from there you can hit the little square button at the bottom of the screen with the out arrow. It's called the share button, and you can text that link or email that link or make a copy of it. You can airdrop, as you notice. Spence's MacBook Air pops up there. Multiple ways to share this application with anyone who's interested in serving. And so really simple tool. The other things down here you'll see is the KidSafe interview questions, reference questions, training, and survey. Those things are probably not going to be very helpful to you, but they are very helpful to the other leaders within the ministry. But I could definitely see you guys using the curriculum link, which is simply a clickable link that takes you to all of the curriculum. As you guys know, I send out curriculum the last Sunday of the series, send out the entire batch for the next series, unless it's an 8-week series in which it goes out in 2 parts. So you get that stuff by email, Facebook, and et cetera, et cetera. But you can also, if for some reason that doesn't work or you didn't get a paper copy from the church, you can also look it up here. And if you'll notice, they're organized alphabetically by the title of the series that we're in. So a really simple process for that as well. Moving on, incident report is one of those things that you guys might use quite often. It's unfortunate that we have to fill out incident reports, but if there is any sort of violent acts or if there's blood involved, or if in doubt, fill it out. Incident reports are simple and easy to fill out. So if you ever are uncertain, you definitely want to err on the side of caution and fill out an incident report if there's some sort of incident that happened in your room. The DPK handbook, as many as you guys noticed, I posted on Facebook the well child policy at Crosspoint Church for everyone who is bringing their sick kids to DPK and otherwise DPK Live. And so I literally just went to DPK handbook. I looked up the well child policy and just went right to it and just copied and pasted it and posted it for everyone to see. And so it was a very useful tool to be able to, kind of help people out there. And then finally, how to set your preferences is a video on how to set your preferences, and then set your preferences is the link to set your preferences. So that was just a quick walkthrough some of the Discovery Point Kids resources workers may use, that leaders may use. So we're going to go back to the Family Life page, and we're going to look at life groups now, some of the resources that life group leaders may use. And the very first link here you'll see is the Lead app. We're going to talk about the Lead app in just a moment. But for right now, I'm going to click on the Lead app and open it and go ahead and download it so it can be downloading in the background. And I encourage you to do the same thing. Of course, mine is already there because I've already got it downloaded. Another quick thing to talk about is the group finder. If someone walks up to you and is interested in finding a life group, this is a very useful tool that you, again, can send to the person and share with them via the share button at the bottom of the screen, and send them this link. They can find the life groups that are closest to them based on their location. They can search by day of the week. They can search by childcare needs. There's a lot of different filters that they can add to help find the best group and that sort of thing. So again, a very useful tool for life group leaders and all sorts of family ministry leaders. And now you can begin to see where the overlap between children's ministry, life groups, and other ministries may come into place. Many of you are life group leaders and children's ministry workers or student ministry workers, and so this allows us to have all of these resources right at our fingertips. And finally, if you'll notice here, the link that we have that's visible is the paid childcare hours. For most life group leaders know you don't file your hours for your paid childcare workers anymore. They file their hours for themselves, but if they're unfamiliar with the link, you can pull it up and share this link with them. Again, just clicking into it brings up the actual document, and then you can hit the share button and share this document with them. And that's how the process works. So as you notice, there's DPK Live. Students, you can, eventually you will be able to click into any of these and see the available resources for other ministries. This will be an app that's constantly under development. We'll be constantly adding new things. We'll let you know as we add new things and new features. We're really excited about a help desk that's going to be coming in July at our next training session. And so that'll be something we'll launch in 2.0 of our Family Life app. And so, but again, curriculum links and things like that, it's not quite up for life groups, but it will be soon.